Well, hello, hello, hello. It's me. I'm back again. I have a mail call. I told you I'd be back. I didn't lie. So at least I'm back. But I got a couple of things in the mail and I wanted to open them up. I know that this package, I have two packages. This package, I know it's a straggler from Craft Day. It's the last, no, it's not the last of it because I still have an Anna Griffin die that's on delay. So I know that it's on extended shipping, as they call it. But this is, so let's move this over because I can pretty much open this envelope in theory. In theory. It's like, God, Myra, really? You know, it would just be so much easier if I just gave up, give up the stubbornness and just took scissors and cut across it, right? That would make so much sense, but, it would lessen the anticipation. And yes, it is what I thought it was because it looked like, it said shipped, and I go, what the heck, what do you mean shipped? Well, it apparently, I forget that Amazon's, the post office will deliver Amazon on Sundays. I know this because my middle daughter is a rural mail carrier, and she hates Amazon. She just posted a picture. I should post it. You know what? I will include it right here. But I'll link the pictures of, that's what her truck looked like today. The truck and the overflow that didn't fit in the truck of Amazon. Why? Because we're right in the tail of Amazon Prime. So anyway, Prime Week. So what this is I want to order this. It's a Festive Moments Decoupage book from Hunkydory. It was so cute. I really liked it. I know that it's going to be uphill or not. But what I ordered it because, one, I liked it, and two, it was going to force me to bust out and start using my scan and cut. So it's a book, but see, it's got all of these toppers, and they're like paperweight, okay? So they're not cardstock. I mean, you can see how easily they bend, but still, they will make pretty card, just card bases and cards. And here, so this is the only thing, and this is where, I'll be honest with you, it's going to be a little funkly, because it is so lightweight, and you're layering all of these. It's going to take really well strategically placed foam to get these to not be squished. But I thought, you know what? It was a really good price. I think it was part of the what was in the craze, the clearance part. Not a clearance, but every time now they do a craft day on HSN, they announce a super secret sale that they tell everybody about. But don't forget, it's super secret. And I think this one with this code this time was craze or something like that. So this was in the stuff that was marked down. So, I mean, it has really cool things, and I thought, okay, for the price, whatever it was worth it to me to give it a try. So, I mean, now you guys are aware that this is pretty much, it's nice glossy paper, but it is paperweight. But it is pretty. So, and I can't resist decoupage. I just can't. It's, one of my multiple weaknesses. So, I mean, you can see, so it has 4 of every one, 4 or 5, I can't count. But they're pretty. They are pretty. So through 3, 4. Okay, so it is 4. I mean, they're really, really, really pretty. So I figure, I was worth the experiment, the giving it a try. So we have all of these. So I will figure it out. I'm going to have to run this through the scan and cut. So that will be a video of its own because I have a scan and cut. I've had it for over a year. I know, I'm ashamed. And I haven't used that thing. So I'm going to have to watch a tutorial myself and then become the instant expert so that I can share it with you guys for use that who may be contemplating a scan and cut or have one and are in the same boat I am. So see how pretty? These are just really, really pretty. So I couldn't resist. So there you go. I weakened. And all considering how little I got this craft day, it was like, wow. So anyway, that's pretty. Oh no, look at the teddy bear. So that's one of my items, and this, I don't know what it is. I don't know. I don't know. So we're gonna open. All I know, it's from Jerry's Artorama. So what it is, I have no clue. So we're gonna open it up and see, because I did, of course, do some ordering on Black Friday. I can't imagine that something came this fast already, but anything is possible. So let me see what it, oh no, okay, never mind. Okay, but I'll show this to you anyway. This is not Black Friday. I ordered this because I already had one of these. It's a little lamp, and I love it for using it to work on my diamond dots because, I am unfaithful to the paper crafters. I do a little bit of diamond dots just because it's very zen. for me. So I am working on a Santa Claus right now for Nan because she collects Santa Clauses, and every year we give her a Santa Claus. So this year's Santa Claus is, instead of buying her a stuffy or whatever, or another one of those stand-up Santa Clauses, she has a million of. I swear she has all kinds of Santa Clauses. You know what? Maybe I'll do a little video once we get all decorated, because her thing is Santa Clauses, my thing are gnomes, as we all know. And she has over 100 Santa Clauses. I mean, she has every known Santa Claus permutation that we can come up with. I mean, it's just amazing. And it's just, and then I have all of my gnomes. So it's going to be the War of the Gnomes and the Santa. So, but anyway, what this is a light. It is super yummy bright. I had one. I loved it. And I burnt it out because I plugged in the wrong charger to it. So I literally roasted it. But this little sucker is insanely bright. And it's either, so you can either use it with the charger or you can use it with AAA. So give me a second. Let me grab some AAAs and I'll show you. Okay, I have now put in my lovely 4 little AAA Kirkland batteries in here. And I brought Santa over so you guys can see what I am working on. But this is a Santa I'm doing for Nan. So I'm probably not quite 50%. So let's say 40%, because I went into one color mode. So, I mean, you can't see unless I zoom out on it. So let me do that a little quick second here so you can see. So, I mean, I've got some down here and some of that darker blue up here, and then all of this filled in. So, you know, I'll do here and then work my way in, you know, work around the edge and then work my way back into the middle to get his arm done. But as you can see, it's pretty bright. So here it's not so much an issue to see these little guys. Now let me zoom back. Whoops, not that way, this way. Zoom back in. And I also have a light pad that shoots up from beneath, but sometimes I want that extra light, and this guy is like insanely bright. Did you guys see the difference? And I think, yeah, there's 3 settings: off, and then the super high, and then a middle one. But let me do this just so you can see it better. I'm gonna reach over. I'm gonna turn off my overhead light real quick for a second. So you can see there, and then off, and then the bright, and then the less bright. So, I mean, in and of itself, it works really great so that I can see the symbols here. So I love this little dinky light. It was less than 20 bucks. I found it on Amazon. I had one and I bought it, I think, like at Lamps Plus. It was a fluke, one of those little, impulse buys. And I killed it last week. I mean, smoke came out of it and I was very sad. So I went looking, let my fingers do the shopping, and I bought that little light. So I will link you down below because this is on Amazon. So, I mean, if you guys need a little light like this it makes a great travel light. I think it'd be great to take to crops because you can use it both battery and or plug in. So I think it's a very, very cool toy, but tool. So both. So I will let you guys, I'll link it down below so that you can, if you guys, anybody needs a little lamp, a little cheap lamp, because I think it was like 17 and chump, okay? I think it was $17.99, something like that, you know, 20 bucks by the time, you know, tax. And of course, if you have Prime, like I do, then it's free shipping. So that is it. That's the excitement today, guys. Yay. My little decoupage book and my new little lamp, my new little Jerry's Everywhere light. Okay, so that's why it came from Jerry's Artorama. Jerry sent it to me. So hopefully you like this. I got a kick out of it, if nothing else. So if you did, please give me a thumbs up, give me a like. It's helping me. You know, I'm really trying, and I lost some momentum there with all of this insanity here. I was really, really hoping to be at 1,000 viewers by the end of this year. Okay, and there's still time. I'm at 880, I think, something like that. So I'm in striking distance. So guys, if you want to help me with that, I mean, tell your friends. If you have any friends that are crazy and you think might get a kick out of listening to me, I would so appreciate it if you shared me. And if not, that's okay too. Under no obligation. I'm just asking. but if you guys can help me get to 1,000, that would be so cool. It will make me feel better for flaking, although I really shouldn't feel better for flaking. You know, life is. But thanks a lot. Anyway, no matter what, I'm so grateful. I've already seen the messages from the video that I uploaded yesterday, and I'm going to sit down now. It's after I'm already done with work. I'm going to sit down and respond to those. You guys have been amazing. I want you to know that I read them. Okay, I saw them all come in, and you don't know how emotional I got every time I saw one come through. It's like, oh my gosh, it means so much to me. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And so let me just keep on going and get on. So the rest of my usual spiel is, you guys, if you want to see more of my madness, to those of you who are new and you're seeing this for the first time and say, who is this crazy woman? Go watch another video and you'll figure it out. Then by all means, subscribe and ring that bell, because I will be back with more madness. I really do already have videos. I finished off a video last night. I'm going to be rendering today, so another one will hopefully be coming out tomorrow, or actually this will be tomorrow's video, and then the other one will come right behind it. So I'm going to try to see if I can keep the pace of 3 videos a week. So you guys are going to still see, and I'm warning you, you're going to see a video that I shot when I was in Oceanside last month that I did not get up, and I'm going to finish it off, and so it'll be a there and here kind of a thing. And you guys expect this madness of me, so I don't know why you would be surprised. But at any rate, more is coming. More madness is coming, as always. So thanks a lot. You guys go out, craft, have a great time, make something beautiful. And meanwhile, don't forget, we are all a little mad here. So come, let's craft the madness together. Okay, I'm going to talk to you guys later. Bye.